What's up, guys, and welcome back to another GNCRC video. Today's video is being done all because of V&B Speed. You guys, make sure you go over and check out the link below. Subscribe to his channel. He has content about crawlers, boats, just everything, guys. Tanks. Make sure you go over and check him out. Let him know I sent you. I talked to Vince on Wednesday of last week, and he said he had some parts that he wanted to send me. Well, I tried to talk him into going ahead and just doing a giveaway, but he had extra parts. He always get a ton of stuff. That's why y'all guys got to go over and check out his video, because he has a ton of stuff. But he had extra stuff, but I'm going to go ahead and open it with you guys so you can see what it is. And make sure you go over and check out the link below if you guys don't have a handy dandy unboxing tool, or you just want some cool knives. Let's get this thing open. By the way, Vince, you sent this out on Wednesday or Thursday, whichever day it was, but I got it like a day after the day you told me about it. So I got it on that Saturday, actually. I'm just getting around to opening it. Look at that. First of all, the V&B Speed. That is his channel. As I stated earlier, the link will be below. He did send me over some parts from Injora. He sent me parts over for my TRX4M. We have the hex wheel extender adapters, I guess you could call them. We have the brass axle covers as well. We have two of those. Vince, I really want to tell you, man, I appreciate you sending this over. Now you're making me go ahead and get busy on that TRX4. And by the way, guys, I'll put a link below. I have my extra one. I had 3 of them. I'm down to 2, but I got one of them listed right now on eBay. I'll put a link below for the listing if you guys want to check it out. But now I got to get busy on mine because Vince sent me these parts over, so I got to go ahead and get on it. I got some flubber stuff for parts as well. I just hadn't gotten around to doing anything to it. Too many projects. But I just wanted to do this video to show you guys what Vince got me. Go over to his channel and sub to. He's always putting out a bunch of content every week. So guys, make sure you go over and check it out. I really appreciate you once again, Vince. I appreciate you guys as well. Till next time, this is GNCRC. Thanks for watching.